Feeling overwhelmed by a mountain of browser tabs? Wasting time with them and opening unnecessary duplicate tabs? Yeah, we've all been there. Introducing EazyNet Tab Manager, the smartest way to search and manage tabs across all your Chrome windows in seconds. Can't remember where you left that tab? Just type it, find it. Instantly. EazyNet isn't just smart, it's powerful. View all your tabs, manage groups, and control the chaos from one clean dashboard. With one click, EazyNet magically organizes your tabs by domain. No clutter, no mess, just calm. Switch between tabs, the organization sticks. It's like your browser just got smarter. Want more control? Rename tab groups with ease, change in to LinkedIn, and boom, it's done. Every update reflects instantly because details matter. See everything at a glance. All your open tab groups, sorted and searchable. Done with YouTube. Close the entire tab group in one click. Efficient, satisfying. EazyNet is a heaven for power users. Want to customize EazyNet to your workflow? Just click on the gear icon and boom! From shortcut keys to smart features, your experience, your way. Take control of your tabs and your time. Download EazyNet Tab Manager now on the Chrome Web Store.